Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2020. We are here with this problem 24 of your paper, and this problem is a problem of integral calculus. So let us have a look. The value of the triple integral. So we have a triple integral and we have to evaluate this triple integral over the region volume V, which is in between these x square plus y square less than equal to 1. So it's a closed disk, and from z is moving from 0 to 2. All right, so now let us try to draw a figure to understand this question, and then we will talk about your solution later. All right, so the first step will be to draw the figure. So all right, so this is our Cartesian plane. Let us say this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. Now on this three-dimensional plane, a disk of radius 1 will look like this. All right, so let us say this is your disk of radius 1. Now your z is moving from 0 to 2. So all right, so now this z, let us say this is your 2. So z is moving from 0 to 2 actually means that you have two planes in your hand. It means z is equal to 0 is a plane and z is equal to 2 is also a plane. So let us say this is z is equal to 2 plane and it's bisecting it like this. So all right, wait, let me draw it properly. All right, you got this plane in your mind. This is a plane which is stopping this disk to move upward. All right, so we have a disk, and in disk in a three-dimensional plane is actually a cylinder, a solid cylinder. All right, so it's a solid cylinder because it's a disk, and you have two planes. The first one is the xy plane and the second one is z is equal to 2 plane. So on the top we have z is equal to 2 and on the base we have z is equal to 0. So this is your volume on which you have to integrate your integral. All right, so now this is how we can draw your figure. All right, so in this type of question, always try to understand this three-dimensional figure. Okay, you should have ability to draw this three-dimensional figure, otherwise in difficult question you will have a problem of limit. All right, so in this case it's pretty clear that z will move from 0 to 2, so that will be the limit. But in difficult questions you will always have difficulty if you are not able to draw. So try to feel all the three-dimensional figure that you can encounter. Okay, so now let us see what's your integral. Your integral is triple integral x square plus y square. Here you have dx, dy, dz. Let me write dz, dy, dx because I will place limit of z on the first place. So z is moving from 0 to 2. We will talk about the limits of x and y later. So z is moving from top to all right, I thought I made a mistake here in the integrand. So now let me erase that mistake. All right, so we have in the integrand we have x square plus this. Now what will be the integral? This thing in the bracket is a constant, therefore integral will be just z. And when you will place the limit, you will get this x square y plus 1, and here you will have z 0 to 2 dy dx. Now after placing this limit you will get twice of this double integral x square y plus 1. Now what you have to do, you have to actually, after doing this step, you have to see the projection of this solid cylinder on xy plane. Now what is xy plane? It's this plane. So if you will project, let us say you have a torch over here and you are projecting this surface on the base, what you will get? You will get a circle of radius what? Circle of radius 1, because on the top it's also a circle of radius 1. Now what I will do, I will use polar coordinates in order to solve this equation. That means x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Now if this happens, then what do you know about dr dy dx? It's equal to r dr d theta. So just remember these three substitution, then you can easily integrate it. So you will have r square cos square theta, then product with y, that means r sin theta plus 1. Now in place of dy dx you have r dr d theta. Now you are evaluating your integral on this region, on the circular region. So what I have this radial vector is moving from 0 to this surface. And what is this surface? What is this curve? This is r is equal to 1 curve, and here we have r is equal to 0. So radial vector is moving from 0 to 1, and if you want the whole area, so you have to rotate this radial vector with angle of 0 to 2 pi. All right. So finally we can now integrate what is r, what is the power of r that we will got after the multiplication? We will get r4. So integral will be r5 over 5 cos square theta sin theta. Then you will get r over here, so that will be r square over 2. So you have what? 0 to 1. Now you are working on 0 to 2 pi. So what you will get finally? You will get 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 of, alright, so I should take this inside. Cos square theta sin theta plus 1 by 2. Alright. So this is what you will get, and you have to integrate this over 0 to 2 pi. Alright, so let me erase this left side to right. So simply what you have to do, you have to integrate this 0 to 2 pi, and then you have 1 by 5 of cos square theta sin theta. Let us say firstly you want to integrate this. Let us also erase this part 1 by 5. Alright, so you have to integrate this. What trick you can use? You can just use this trick, that 0 to 2 pi, alright, 0 to 2 pi f of theta, let us say x, theta is a little bit odd, f of x dx, and instead of 2 pi let us write 2a. You can write this thing like this: 0 to pi f of x plus f of 2 pi minus x. So this is the property of definite integral. Alright, so this is a class 12th property. So after applying this, what do you know? That you know that cos of 2 pi minus x is what? Cos of 2 pi minus x is cos x, and sine of 2 pi minus x is minus sine x. So because of this minus sign, if you will add it with this thing, if you will add this thing, you will get, instead of this plus, you will get minus cos square theta sin theta. Are you getting my point or not? So I hope I am pretty clear about all of this, what I am doing. So this thing is cancelled. So you will get 0 from this integral. Alright. So you have only what? You have only 1 by 2 of 0 to 2 pi d theta. So now let me, so integrating, after integrating this you will get pi. So let me check my calculation, then we will mark our answer. Okay, so I got my mistake. When I integrated z, we got this twice here. Alright, so that was a mistake. You have to multiply twice on every integral that you have. because after the integration you got twice, but I forgot to write it here. So that is why you will get what, 2 pi as your answer. Are you getting my point? So now after this we can mark that B is your correct option. Got it? B is correct, C is incorrect, D is incorrect, and A is incorrect. So thank you.